Hello everyone, welcome to new live stream today. And actually we have some bad news related with the crypto markets for today. And before we just start, guys, just don't forget that it's not financial advice. We are just trying to promote firstly the Biconomy exchange, and after that we will try to sort the crypto market. If you already have any question related with the some token, you can just type on the chat and I will try to give the best answer. Before we just start, I really want to start with the VIT token. As you know, we are just the whole market is on the negative side, but we have a good price. We are just still holding the 64312, and I think that it will be a little bit still on this price. But when I see a little bit much more deeper about the chart, I can see that it's just trying to get a little bit upside, because there is a small confirmation here. If we get the confirmation, after that we can try to break up this one and we can easily climb to the we can just pass the 64317 and we can just start to make a new position like 75452. And I will just already leave this one, and when I will have a live stream, we can just try to make a new chart. We can just try to analyze one more time about the token. As everyone knows, we have a bad news. We have a still problem with the Grayscale. They're just still solving the BTC token. I don't know what will happen, but when I deeply analyze the whole market, actually every time the people that has already know about before the bull run, it was starting like this, and that means that maybe we are just getting about the next bull run. And before, just one more time, guys, just don't forget to use the Biconomy exchange. There are a lot of opportunity especially for the beginner, because as I told last live stream, actually you have a chance. You can just put your money on the USDT, like the minimum $300 on the Kickstarter, and you just don't need nothing to do. You just need to hold your money minimum like 15 days, and also we just add the ZKB, because last week we had like payu ADM free, and we already just add the ZKB. And the minimum position, actually, you know, guys, it's like 15 days, and minimum equipment is like $300, and there is like 66,600 ZKB, and we can see the price. We can just make some calculation. The ZKB price, it's like 0.060. We can try to calculate right now. It's like $42,000, guys. But the main reason is, as I told, guys, we are on the bad time, actually, because if you are a long-term trader, and you can understand what I want to say, but these are the bad days. But before we just see the hype or the good days of the crypto. Every time I'm just asking to my all-time friends or all-time my supporters, we have just trading for a long time. I'm just every time asking them, actually, are you ready for the next bull run? And they are just saying, I'm not still ready. I'm just waiting for the price to go a little bit down. but there are someone just are saying something else. But the biggest problem is about the if actually tomorrow it cannot be the bull run. Actually, it has to come a little bit much more money to be invested on the crypto market, because I don't think that we can see right now the crypto market. I mean the bull run, because they need a little bit much more money just to enter in the crypto market right now, and after that we can just try to see the next movement, the next cycle. At that time there will be some new coins, there will be some old coins can be delisted, or we will have some movements. From the other side, we are just waiting about the NFT sector, IE sectors. They are just adding some new things every time. That will be is like momentum, because if you are on the right momentum, and if you invest at the exact time, and you can just every time you can be on the positive side, and you can just start to earn a lot of money. And that is the main reason what I want to say, guys, because right now I am just talking about the BTUSDT, right, Biconomy token. And just think, we are just the BTC price is going down, but the token, the bit token, is just sitting at that price, and it's just trying to accumulate itself. As you see, there is like 1 2 we have seen, like actually I will try to make like this, and you can understand what I want to say. I already just explained last week, but I will try to explain one more time. When I see from here, the price has been already like 3.7, and after accumulation, or we can see that it has been for a long time on the same range price here, and what day, in one day the price has gone like 1x or 2x. After that, actually in every pump there must be a correction. Sometimes there is a big correction, sometimes it's a normal correction. But what I see the right now chart, we are just getting ready maybe for the next upside, because it has already been touched one time. This is the second, and the third one, it can be like 60083. It can try to take one more time the dip, or it can try to break out this zone. It doesn't even try to touch this lane. It can try to break up, and if it just break, it can so fast it can try to get like minimum 16 or 17%. And after that we will just try to see to break up this like 10.00. But one more time, guys, actually everything, it's not a financial advice. I'm just trying to analyze the coins, and I will always try to select the best tokens that we can just try to make some money. But if you listen me for now, if you don't want to risk, you don't want to lose money, if you think that if I invest on that token it can go down or it can go up, the best thing is you can just put your money on USDT, and that means you don't have even no risk. Even your money, you just don't need to invest nowhere, guys. It will be still available as a USDT, but from the other side you will just get some free tokens like the ZKB, because you don't have nothing to do about to get something from this price pool. There were also like 2-3 weeks ago the Grok X and the Noso, and you can see here there were like a tons of bit tokens. You see that they have committed like 1 point or what is this, 1 2 3 4 5 132 billions were committed. But here you are just committing with the USDT, and this is the beginning, guys. For that reason, just if you don't think, the best thing for now is just to stay slowly, to put your money. You are not investing nowhere, guys. It's just 300 USDT. You cannot even lose 1 cent. But if you get, for example, like $20 or $50 or $100 from these four of them, that means that, yeah, you can just try to make like 2x your money just with sitting. And even you're not watching, you're not trying to watch the BTC price. You don't need to watch it. Even you don't care about the grayscale. Are they gonna sell the BTC? How many BTC they will sell? You're just sitting and you're just making your time after 8 days, and you're just coming here in the wave details. You're just taking your USDT and you are continue for the next one. You are just waiting. After that, if you have something, guys, please try to ask me whatever you want to know about any coins, because I can even try to chart something ETH about the Sol, LTC, XRP, TRX, Doge, Bone, Baby Doge, Bitcoin Cash, LDO, Ship, Phil, Matic, HT token. HT token is right now is, I can give some information related with the HT token. As you know, the HT token, it will be converted to HTX token if you have already on your wallet or in some other exchange. Actually, you cannot trade the token right now, but you can just try to transfer them to HTDAO and you can convert them to the HTX. And this one was from my side, because I have been on the crypto market as a live streamer for a long time, and this that happened with the HT token was a little bit disrespectfully from my side, if you ask me why. Because when the token was, for example, the price, it has been like $6, $7, $5, $9 for a long time. And I know that there are a lot of people that were getting ready for the next bull run, maybe with the HT token, right? And they have just maybe tried to add a little bit much more from like it was when the price just go so fast at the 1.5. And I know that there were people like they were just trying to add a little bit much more from the down, just to make the average of the token like average price like $4 or $3. But what happened? Actually, they have to trade to the HTX. They have to convert the tokens to the HTX, and I don't know the rate. For example, for now, I don't know actually if you have the 10,000 HT token, how much HTX you will get. And from my side, it was a little bit at the timeless was a little bit bad time for now. That is that I can add with HT. For BNB, we are just still waiting about the BUSD. I mean, the Binance USD, the stable coin, will be delisted. Actually, can we see a little bit negative side from the market? I think, yeah. But these are the things that happens. It's all good from our side, if you ask me why. We are just giving much more better service to the people, to the traders. And the best thing is, guys, as I said, as I just repeated twice, I will try to repeat 4 or 5 times right now, because no one can predict the price of the BTC. Is it gonna try to push up 50,000, or is it gonna go to 30,000? But if you just stay on the USDT, you don't even need to think about the price, about tomorrow, about the sets, about the governments. Are they gonna make I don't know, there are a lot of discussion, because if something happens in the United States, everything when you see the price of the BTC is just falling down. But when you're just on the stable coins and you have already invested, like you're just waiting some airdrops on the Biconomy exchange, and nothing will change from your side, you'll just get your money and you will continue further with the same strategy, with the same earning from the Kickstarter, and you will never care about the price of the BTC. About the IDX, Near EGG, Sand, Gala, Sui, People Cake, People X, Dash, Raja, Bonk, Vimix, Wage, Meme, like it's like. Actually, when I repeat all this token, when you have already just made all the tokens about the priceless, when I see right now, actually I'm just remembering my old times. The P token, the P, I don't know about the P token, because you can just when you see the tokens right now, and just don't forget, guys, there is a hidden game here. You can just find, and maybe we can see the next 100x, and it can be start from the Biconomy exchange. Just, I don't want to deep analyze what I want to say, but if you just already understand what I want to say, you just don't need the FTN. The FTN token, it's like fast token. It's nice. Just one thing to see. And I'm a little bit about this. I want to talk about a little bit about the Solana, guys. The Solana ecosystem, after they just rebuild it, because we have seen for a long time the priceless was like $10, 12 or 13, 14, 15. After that it just tried to push upside like 727, 30, and it just go down. But right now when I see the Sol, it's just sitting at this price range. But is it just preparing to go much more faster upside? I'm a little bit confused with this one, because when I see, let's deeply analyze this one, guys. You see there is like one upside here, the price when it was like 144. After that we already saw 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago 1 to 6, and it just tried to go a little bit correction, and the price just 2 days or yesterday just went to 79. From my side, actually, I just don't want to be, because every time when I want to deeply analyze the tokens, I'm every time just trying to figure out the negative, because when you see there is like a big cap formation here already, just like you see this one, and if you ask one, for example, if I ask my son, he can understand what I want to say with this one. But the next one, is it gonna be the same like this one, or is it gonna be like this? And the third one is, that we are just trying to prepare for the next bull run. But it will go, is it just try to go to the moon, or the price? What it will be the price? Because as you know, the easiest thing in the world is just to say about the price range about some token. I can say, yeah, the Solana could be like $500, but why? You have to explain why. But if it goes like this, then that means that from my side, actually, we need to prepare ourselves for the one down momentum. But it cannot be so deeply like this one. It can try to be a little bit like here, or maybe here. These are my prediction. It's not a financial advice, but we will already talk about next week, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And the best thing is, me as a crypto trader, actually I'm just living every time when I draw, and that for that reason the Biconomy exchange will be also for me a white blank page. And I wish that we will have a good conversation here, good people. We will try also to make money. We will try also not to lose money to people, because I know that when I try to speak about the crypto market, I always I have to read all the news. I have to prepare myself what I'm gonna talk to do, because you can just think it's easy just to stay on the PC, to take the mic, just to draw two lanes. It's not easy to just to talk about the 45 minutes, because you have to get a prepare. If someone is gonna ask you some question, you just need to answer every kind of question. That is my principle, and every time when I start any job, I am trying to do the best, and I am trying to be the best. Being the best is the easiest way from my side, because there is one concept. There is, like, we know actually, you have to understand the meaning of the exchange. Yeah, that is the reason why I'm here. Hello, Amin. That is the reason, because I know that everyone, the people that are coming here on the exchange, are trying to make money, right? And also we will start to talk about the futures. We will start to make a future trade together. Actually, I will have a live stream, and I won't get any I won't even try to open any position. I will just start the live stream, and I don't know how many people will be on the live stream, 1 or 10 or 50 or 100, and we will have together time, and I will explain why did I short here the BTC, and you will see my position here. If I lose money, firstly I have to lose money, and after that you can lose, or we can just, or I have to get money firstly. After that we can just try to communicate. We can just try to, I also like to listen people. Every time I'm open mind for everyone, because just listening to other people, it's every time I can try to add something in my life, because I have met a lot of people when I just started the crypto market, and the best thing is you are just communicating with all the people from the rest of the world, from India, I don't know, Singapore, China, I, there is like New Zealand, Australia, the place that, and it can be maybe tomorrow, if you can just start to work together, you can just see each other. You are just, this is new life for me, and that is the main reason that I am here on the Biconomy. I really believe about the Biconomy exchange, that the day will come. I will take my notes here with the date, with the time, that when I will see the Biconomy exchange from my side, from my personal decision, it will try to climb so fast at the top 10 exchange, and maybe we can see the top 5 exchange, because I know that if I was the near of CEO of the Biconomy exchange, I would like to be, because everyone want to be the top 1 exchange. Why not? Because we will try to work much more higher. We will try to have the community. We will try to explain every kind of people. We will try to have so big gifts to the people, to the supporters. I think that we will try to move all together, and for that reason I'm happy to be here. And also I'm on the Telegram channel, guys. You can just try to find me. My name actually it's same, and if you have something, you can just write there. I can try to answer your questions, or if you want, you can just type here for the next session. If you want to know about something specific, just I can try to explain for the next live. I can give all my time for you guys, for that reason, who has something like this. For example, I already just start from my side. I just started to invest a little bit on the age of session, because when everyone is just talking about the next bull run, yeah, because the halving is coming, but from the other side, that is the background of crypto. The biggest hidden gem on the crypto is like being a nodding system. I'm also a nodder. I have been working for a long time as a nodder. I'm a nodder since 2015. I just get at 2017 the ETH 100 ETH, but I just sell them so low price, but doesn't make any sense. But when I see there are a lot of projects, we can try to grow together. If we grow, and the Biconomy exchange will grow together with us, because one exchange, you have to see the exchange like your family, like your house. If you respect your exchange, because you are just sitting on the phone, you're just like 8 hour or 6 hour or 10 hours, you're just checking the price of the but it's much more better when you will have your schedule. For example, we just start with a Bitbird live session here, and we are just inviting, we will have a lot of people from every kind of language. We are actually, the Biconomy exchange is trying to get like Turkish, English, Indian, maybe we will find some Russian, maybe in Chinese, why not? We will try to be much more stronger, but how we can be if we work together. uh, for right now, we will, for the next time, maybe it will, we need a little bit time, and we will have a such good amas here, guys. We will try to introduce the new projects, or we will try to invite some special guests, some for example, some tokens CEOs or CEO or marketing managers. If you have some specific question, you can directly ask to them. We will try to give all the opportunity to the people just to ask what they want to know related to the crypto market. Hello, what bird? 1 second. 1 second. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, let's actually, when I start to talk related with crypto, I cannot try to stop myself, because I have a lot of things for to talk, and I really want to share all my knowledge to the people. Okay, let's see the current market, the BTC price, because it's on the futures trade, and right now, even me, I'm not trying to trade right now on the futures trade, because as I see, it's a little bit risky, guys, for that reason. But a bit USDT, and also, as I know, we will have some new, will be also listed on the other exchange. That's the biggest point, that we have to tell everyone that they have to come here, they have to start to trade on our exchange, because it will be our exchange. And I already I'm trying to invite all the friends, all the people, all the good people, guys, because everyone is just trying to put the money, and for that reason, I will also try to give the best service to the people, because everyone knows the exchange. There are a lot of common problems in the exchange, and I know all of them. And for that reason, we will try to grow the Biconomy exchange together, because if you have a good community, if you have a good people, not good community, but good people community, that means a lot for me, because you can just share everything related with your knowledge, or with your, not to say the superpower, but when I see right now, actually 2 days ago, there were like 3 projects on the Kickstart, but right now I can see there is 4 projects, and $45,000, it's so much money, guys, on the ZKB. As I told, Actually, you will just stay, you will just leave your money here and nothing. And you will come to my live stream or the live stream of Bitpert. You will just sit and you will listen, but from the other side, you're just trying to earn some money. That is the point, and that is the best way just to get prepared before the bull run. Because this method have been working every time, and I know that the other exchange are not given any change like this, any change, because there were exchange once upon a time. It was trying to make the same things like Biconomy exchange, but at that time the price of they were just wanting like you have to hold at least 1000 token, but 1000 token at once upon a time was like 400 and $500. But right now that exchange is already just a little bit go far away. But right now you cannot trying to get some free because you have to invest like $3000. But right now with $300 it's nothing, guys. It's like because meaning $300 on the crypto market, when you see you have already given a lot of fees to the other exchange. But here is if you just want to get for your referrals, because when you start you will get like 20% referrals, but if you want to get like 40% referrals you need to hold the bit token, and that is like you are just positive on two sides. Actually you are just holding a token of exchange for long term, and you are just getting like 40% from your referrals. That is double double. If you have something, any question, please ask me. I already just I'm just get it prepared for any hard question. Maybe I was just waiting for the people to ask, but no one is just trying to ask why. But please, guys, don't be a shy. You don't have to be a shy. I know that it's the beginning. Maybe you don't know me, and after a time when you will try to meet me a little bit, or when you will get much more information about me, and you will try to believe me much more. Actually, I know that every start is so hard, but we will do it together. And also I just want to say, actually last week I had a problem because I live in North Macedonia. The application of the Biconomy exchange on for iOS wasn't able to be downloaded. Right now they solved the problem. I just downloaded the application right now, and everything is good. Everything is working because they were having a problem with the iOS, because there were some countries they are just restricted. It's not with the Biconomy exchange. We have a lot of have a lot of problem with other exchange, but when I see that they have solved the problem, and it was so fast from my side, and I want to be thankfully to them. They just made something so good from my side. And there is like, if you always want to be, if you need to have all the new announcement here on the right tab, you have it's near of submit request, and there is like activity events, new listing, Biconomy year, new updates, deposit withdrawal, futures trading, bit burn, and FAQ. And there is like promoted article. As I told the Biconomy Kickstarter, you just vote to ZKB. You can already, you see the registration level, you just need to hold $300, and the committed coefficient, as I already talked about it's not, for example, if you want to hold like $300, it's like 105. It's not so range, the range is not so big, guys. For example, if someone invests like 1000 like $50,000, you will just get 1.3. For example, if you get $100, you will get $130, and that is the yeah, I have to say this one, this is the best thing. This is the best part of the Biconomy exchange, because yeah, if you're even a whale, you will get a little bit much more than me or much more than you. And that is the best things that I already said to them, that this is the best thing that we can try to take the because I'm just always asking to the new people, to the newcomer, about the price. One second. And what we have anything else? Like Biconomy free to win. Actually, it was like the 6,000 free. It's same way with the USDT. Like $2,000 on the Grok X. It just already passed with a payu. And this is the beginning, guys. For that reason, just if you if there is someone just is listening to me, is the best time. And you can also try to earn, because the APRs are so high. For example, the Zuzalu, when you lock your product and you are just entering like 48.88%, and you just need like 30 days, and there is like there is some limits. Just you need to minimum like 730. There is like maximum limit and maximum amount. These are the things that no one is just trying to introduce, guys, but we will always talk about those news, and that will be the Biconomy exchange, will be the best exchange to the others. We will try to make the best one. For that reason, guys, please just try to support us. You need to support us. You need to invite the friends. If there is someone who is just listening to me right now, and just don't forget to, just 1 second, you can just go, you can just try to follow up here, you can just retweet, repost, you can just repost everything. You can just don't forget also to open the notification, guys, and you can just try to get. And also we have a Telegram channel, you can just go there, you can just try to ask, and there is like $100 red token. You just need to follow the Biconomy.com, the Biconomy Turkey. You have to follow the BCA red token. You have to follow our web page right now that you are just watching me, and you have to ask a question. Okay, I will ask it tomorrow. Okay, and you have to retweet this one, and you have to add like 2 friends. Okay, let me add one. I will just try to, maybe I can just get some red token, and it will be like nice streaming, guys. I will be there. Just don't forget tomorrow. And also it will be on Turkish language, and maybe in the futures we can try to have some live stream that we can also make it with the Bitbird. We can try to make like English or Turkish English. You can just talk Turkish, I can try to translate in English, and we can just make something amazing. And just this is the start, guys. This is the 100 kick with I mean with rewards, but it will be 200, it will be 500, it will be $1,000, just guys. Just please just wait and see. As I say, I have a specific word that I use every time when I see that there is something really is just trying to do their job. The show has been started. You will remember this one. The Biconomy exchange will be hype. And just don't forget, guys, these are the bad days about the price of the BTC. Where we have a lot of negative news, but when it will be, if you see like BitToken like 1 year after like $1 one token, then can you imagine? Just think a little bit, like 5x. Is it 5x or 5,000x or 50,000x? Just remember my name and remember my words, guys. We will have, I don't know, I'm just trying to find something, just talking about the BTC price on the live stream. Yeah, I will give a like 5 to 10 minutes for that one, but I will try to introduce, I will try to tell about the news, especially about the Biconomy exchange. I will always repeat the Kickstarter, why it's important. I will also be the part to get some rewards, and I will always try to tell the people, yeah, I just put the $300 on the ZBKey, and this is the amount that I win, that I airdrop it to me. And that is the best thing. That is the thing that, yeah, we are all open to the whatever you want. Whenever you have any problem with the exchange, you can just, every time you have the online support, you can just ask you if you have any problem with the deposit, or if you have any problem with the KYC, or if you have something specific, you can also submit a request. You can just type a little bit much more deeply your problems, and they will just try to repeat your answer like 5 to 10 minutes maximum, because they are just trying to work so hard. They are just trying to give all the questions back to the people, and that is good from me, because we need to be the best one. If you want to be the best, you have to be the beast. But we are beast now, but we will be the best one. And I'm coming at the end of the live stream. I just asked one more time. There isn't no one asking any question. Why no one is asking any question? I already just analyze a lot of tokens for today. Okay, I just already make some growth on the Solana, but we will try to see the price. And just don't forget, guys, it was a weekly candle. Weekly candle means it has need to a lot of time. For that reason, I cannot, but maybe if you can see tomorrow, for after one month, the price of the 57, I cannot even say something, guys, for that reason. Maybe, and we can see the price, it can try to push upside, but with right now, with this situation, especially the gray cell, because he has just already sold like 6% of BTC, but if he just try to sell all the tokens, I don't want to image the current market, but we are just still sitting at the best time. We are just waiting for the confirmation about the bit token, and we will rock on. But maybe not, I don't want to say moon, maybe we can find some new Mars, or we can just go to the Jupiter. I don't know, I don't want to go to the moon. Maybe I can prefer to go to the Jupiter. For that one, guys, just don't forget tomorrow to be at the AMA with a Bitport. It will be on Turkish. Doesn't make any sense if you cannot even try to talk in Turkish. Just don't forget to come and to ask something, guys. And I wish that you are luck, and if you are lucky, you will just get some rewards. Why not? Thank you for your time to everyone. It was a pleasure me to be as a host at the Biconomy exchange. Have a nice day, have a nice life, have a nice trade. Just one more time, guys, for the next live session, please just try to ask me whatever you want. because I am just getting prepared for everyone here. As I said, guys, we will be ready for everyone, and for everyone who will just come here, we are just open, and we will give the best service on the exchange that you can even try to you haven't seen, because you can just directly talk to me. I can try to help in whatever you want, in whatever condition you are. Just, I love everyone, I respect. Just be healthy, be calm. I always use these words, guys. Just be healthy, be good, be kind, be respectfully, be happy. This is life, guys. Because everyone is one day will everyone will go, everyone will die. For that reason, we need to have our life the best one, and for that reason we are here to help people, and we will just try to make this dream. It will be a dream for me to see the Biconomy exchange as a top one exchange, but I will do everything from my side. For that reason, have a nice day, have a nice life. I love everyone. Take care. Bye bye.